Hello, lovely crowns. So right now I'm coming home from work and I'm about to go pick up my package. I've been starting the Boxy charm thing since like January, and I have to say their products are absolutely amazing. So I will be back. It's funny, I call those dogs like the Filipino dogs because they just don't stop. You better be in there. And it's in here. Still be getting mail from my mom. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, it seems bigger this time. Yeah, people. All right. I tried. Okay, people. So, I got my box. Like I said, this is our third box, okay? I'll show you another time what the other stuff that we got. But I actually really like it because I have really large pores, and I find that a lot of things that they've been giving me is helping. Sorry, I keep looking to the side. I'm just making sure that I'm actually in the camera. Okay, so let's open up this thing. Oh, let's not cut yourself either. I don't think you can afford that. And we're in. Okay, so this is the March little flyer here, and on the back, of course, it shows you all your products that you get. Okay, so we have a Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. Where that at? Ooh. Oh, I thought it was a 111. It is 111 skin. Just for you, babe, okay? So, this lightweight and cooling gel helps define the delicate skin around the eye and lip, which is most vulnerable to aging. So this is very true. So like crow's feet and that, like the old person lip, you know? Yeah. So what do you do with this? Directions. Massage a pea-sized amount in small circular motions onto expression lines. I don't know what that says. Folds and crow's feet. So the that thing I was talking about around your fold, your lip, yeah. So, okay. This is real serious right here. So, like, how do I even? Oh, okay, it's a pump. I'm not opening that right now. But we gonna try that out tonight. And I'm guessing it's like a daily use. What is this? How many times a day? How many times? No. Use it as much as you want. Next one. Oh, okay. This is what I wanted. The Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Yeah, buddy. Now, this in Sephora, I believe, is about $60, and I spent $25.99 plus tax for 5 full-size products. Okay, people, 5 full-size products that you would buy in Sephora for at least like $200, $300. Okay. So we open this up right now. The bananas, and I'm not really a banana person. I'll eat bananas, but I'm not a banana person. But I just feel like this will be cute. So it says calming and hydrating. So I'm good with the hydrating situation because my face gets a little dry. Okay, I'm smelling and I'm a big idiot. I'm a big dummy. Because there's a clear top on it. Can't. Like, why can't I smell anything? Stupid. This doesn't work. Yeah, this smells like a banana pudding. I will not be using this a lot. But let's read and see what it's actually for. In English. Okay. A soothing, lightweight daily moisturizer that resets, replenishes, and seals in a boost of lasting hydration for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Okay, blended with banana, magnesium, turmeric, and cica, C-I-C-A. That one. This sweet souffle is the recipe for calmer, hydrated, and healthy-looking skin. Everybody loves that. Next, Frank Body Glow Mask. Yeah. Okay. Can't go wrong with the mask. Okay, let's show them what it is. Okay. Can't go wrong with that. Caffeinated. All right. This moisturizing face mask is natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and give skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. Okay. It's natural, cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. We like that. That we like. Coffee, shea butter, and goji berries. I want to smell it and see if it has a nice smell. It doesn't say that it's an exfoliator, so we don't have any of those little bits in it. If I can open this up, we can get it. I actually have nails now, like natural nails. So it won't open. Can you help me, please? I feel like I'm gonna pop off my thumb. Like, holy. Yeah. Okay, let's not put it in our nose. It just smells like shea butter. Sorry, my babe's Teddy's not in the camera today because he's a Sachs, and he'll be in it next time. Okay, guys. So you're wondering why I'm like talking over there? There's a link over there. Next, hydrating lip oil. I do need a lip scrub, so this would be great to put on top, or not on top, but like to use after. It's by Cab. It's Juicy Melon. Ooh, here we go. Very nice looking. I like it. Ooh. Not too strong, but it feels like it's a gloss because like it kind of looks a little sticky. Let's not ruin the look of it though. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy, hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky, instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. All right, I'm trying it right now. I almost dropped it. Because my lips are kind of dry and I know you guys are looking at my lips. Okay, so it feels like a castor oil, like how thick castor oil would be, but it definitely is hydrating. Yeah, right away. I like that. So I will tell you the prices of all these things after. And then last but not least is Illuminati Cosmetics. An edgeless, reusable, high-definition cosmetic sponge applicator. Thank you, because I actually finished my pack of cosmetic sponges yesterday, and I've been using, I'm not going to tell you what I've been using, because you're too fast. But, yeah. That's what's in there. Okay, people, so that's it. That's all you got. That's the box, okay? $25.99, 5 full products. Can't go wrong. I will kind of, well, why not? I can just show you right now. So these were from, oh, what did I just sit on? These were from February's box, either February or January. So this was it was like a face cleanser, and it was great. It's good to use like to remove your makeup, and you can use it as like a face cleanser also. But I find that when you can use like face wipes to wipe off your makeup and then use this after, it gives you a really hydrating look. So that was great. That was called the Wand. Okay. There. Next is the whatever it is. Perfect primer. Okay. So this thing is very nice. Daily use. Even if you don't want to put any foundation or anything on, you can just use this and go about your day. It's matte look. And Tula skincare. Love this. So poreless, deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. It doesn't have the best smell, I will say. It has probiotics, raspberry leaf, and pomegranates, and I find those mixtures don't really work, but it leaves your face feeling very moisturized. It looks oily, but it's not oily. It works. Okay, I think that's it. Oh yeah, the prices. Okay, so For the 111 skin, the retail price of that is $140. Okay. Next is the banana souffle, which would have been $39. The glow mask is $21.95. Your hydrating lip oil, which is on my lip right now, right here, this cute thing right here, $20. And then last but not least, the cosmetic sponge is $21. That is one expensive cosmetic brush, or sponge, sorry, because I don't understand, this thing's not even that like big. What is it? This better last me forever, eh? That's all I know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be good. Love you guys.